and welcome to Cooking with Katey. Without the cooking part. I'm your host, Katey. We're gonna make a good old sandwich here. I put my ham down. It smells a lot like ham. Now that we've got our ham onto the bread and our mayo, obviously we need mayo. I got mayo on my hands. And more. Now that we've got our mayo and ham on the bread, I think we're gonna get a good slice of cheddar cheese. Of cheddar cheese. This is our cheese block. I mean, look at her, it's beautiful. Beautiful cheese here, nice, smooth, straight cut and stuff. I'm gonna do this, and I think we want a nice piece of cheese to fit on this bread. Can we do it? I think so. And I'm gonna grab this one. Looks okay. We're gonna cut this cheese here. And I think I'm just gonna get a good big chunk. Nah. You know what? That's not. Instead we're gonna do this. Dangerously close. Okay. Good. I can cut cheese. Just do it like a saw, like a thing. It's got that jaggedy thing, so it's like boom. You know, it's like. So we've now cut this cheese off. Let's put it on the bread, shall we? This is gonna make a great sandwich. Got more mayo on my hands. This doggo is going to distract my sandwich making. I am a professional. See this? We need more cheese. And I'm gonna do it all saw-like it's a saw. Because it has jagged things. Oh. Because it has jagged things. Just like a saw. And why not? It just makes it easier when you're doing that thing, even though the cheese is harder to cut through than a piece of wood. Kind of. I mean, if you're sawing, you're like, Oh. I mean, you're like that with the saw. Now with the cheese, it's harder. It's thick. It's very thick, boy. And this is the cheese that's too thick, but it's fine. We like thick. Thick can be our friend. Now for the last part of our sandwich here, we need some tomato things. So we're gonna just take one here. And I think what I would like to do, okay, that's fine. What I would like to do is take this sticker here, because we don't need it anymore, and just put it on the trash, which means we're putting it right on me. And then we have this tomato that we are going to wash, because it's just been bought. I'm gonna wash this tomato and dry our hands. We've got our tomato here. See now, I think I'm just gonna cut a few slices. Maybe we'll go with about 3.5. Oh, that's like 3. Oh no. I need to get a Band-Aid. This tomato has been cut. This tomato needs a Band-Aid. It's been cut very badly, as you can see. I'm sorry, Mr. Tomato. maybe, I think we just need to get it over with. I mean, it's for tomato, but I have tomatoes. I'm gonna just put those on there, and then we're gonna do that, and that, nope. Boom. All right, we're gonna take our hammed, mayoed, and tomatoed slice of bread, and we're gonna put our mayoed and cheese slice of bread on top of it. Are you ready for this? This is gonna be an intense moment. The cheese is gonna fall. We gotta be quick about this, or else the cheese will fall on the floor, and we don't want that because my doggo is on the ground, and I don't want her to eat my cheese. It's my cheese. Like flipping a pancake. And I don't think I've ever really flipped a pancake, so I don't know what that's like. Alright, we made a perfect sandwich that looks terrible, but we'll eat it anyway. Thank you for watching our show, everybody. Thank you for watching Cooking with Katey.